guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we finally got our snack crate. We've been waiting for this like wait.
It's from the Netherlands.
Yes. So when you open it up, this is what you get.
The snacks
And
on the thing look on
every
the inside
month,
the shoe looks super good.
Yeah. Every month it's like a different country that you get for your snack crate.
And now
Here's a booklet.
Chris, hello.
A booklet about the Here's a booklet about the Netherlands.
Okay. All right, so every month they send you a booklet talking about the country where your snacks are going to be from. And it says this month's crate is from the Netherlands.
Whoop, whoop.
So that's their flag, what the country looks like. I like it because you also get kind of like educated on whatever country. So it says that the capital's Amsterdam. It was established in January 30th, 1648. The population is 17,200,671 people. And the area is 16,000 square miles. And then it gives you more information here about the country.
But that's just gonna waste our time. If we
And on this side, you get fun facts. So I'll just read one fun fact. On average, okay, we'll each read one fun fact.
Okay.
So on average, Dutch men are the tallest people in the world. You can read whichever one you pick.
There are more bikes over 18 million in the Netherlands than there are people.
Wow, there's more bikes than people.
In Netherlands. That's crazy.
Known globally as the flower shop of the world, more than 75% of the world's flowers bulbs come from the Netherlands each year.
I gotta read this other one. The Dutch are the largest consumers of licorice.
Licorice.
I was like, I know I'm saying that wrong. Eating over 70 million pounds each year of licorice.
Licorice, and people hate licorice.
Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Oh, and you have your
Don't show
little...
them the snacks.
Okay, but you have your little thing here that tells you what each snack is. The first snack is from Lay's, and it's Waffles Paprika. And this is a crunchy corn snack with a literal twist and dusted in savory paprika flavor. So this is what it looks like. I feel like I'm gonna like this.
I feel like I'm gonna medium like it because there's a pepper on the front. So I'm thinking there's pepper.
All right, so...
Hey, I thought you were gonna give that one to me.
No, you get your own.
Oh, it smells good.
It smells pretty good.
It
3,
smells like the barbecue.
2,
1.
That's really good.
It's pretty good. They can't see you.
But I have one more. It's really good.
I'm definitely gonna like that.
Yeah, I like it.
So that's the Lay's waffle. What does it taste like?
It tastes like the barbecue chip.
Not really.
A little bit.
Next, we're going to do Lay's
It's Lay's Potaje Joppy.
What is it?
So it says these chips are flavored with mustard, onion, curry, and mayo, also known as Joppis sauce.
What is Joppis
That's
sauce?
disgusting. I don't like
Let's try
curry
it.
or onions or mayonnaise with my chips.
Let's try it.
Me neither. Smells good. Has to be good.
Smells good. 3, 2, 1. They are good. But you can definitely taste the mustard.
Yeah.
If you're not a fan of mustard, you're not gonna like this.
Mustard? No way. Only ketchup on my hot dogs.
All right. You ready for the next one?
Next, we're gonna do another chippo. We're gonna do Crocky. Bolognese flavor. With
These unique...
It supposedly has tomatoes and onions.
Okay, so it says these unique chips are flavored with the tangy, tomatoey goodness of Bolognese sauce.
Ooh.
Like spaghetti sauce.
Ooh. But chips and spaghetti sauce, no way.
So let's try that and see.
I hope it's good. Because the last one, it smelled good, but it tasted horrible.
No, it didn't.
For me, it did, because I hate mustard. Mustard goes on nothing.
All right. So 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna give it like this.
Yeah,
Good.
they're so to me.
Pretty good.
You like them?
Yeah.
I'll give it like this.
Yeah, like a 3/4.
Ow.
They're so.
They're pretty good.
You
I
don't
like
taste too much like tomato sauce, but
I like it.
I don't know. They're so. Next thing, this says Venco Munten Drop. Okay, let's see.
Is it a candy?
So it says, the Dutch are serious about black licorice, and there can be none more black than these classic licorice bites.
No!
What even is it?
I like the strawberry licorice, but not the black.
I never tried licorice ever in my life.
But you probably...
What are licorice?
I don't know. It's like, it's a candy. The one...
It smells like poop.
No, it didn't.
Smell it.
It smells like chocolate.
Listen.
No, it does not.
It does smell a little like chocolate.
It smells like dark chocolate. I'm not eating this. I hate dark
Taste
chocolate.
it.
It tastes disgusting.
3, 2, 1.
Eat it, Chris.
Yeah.
I'm not really gonna
Just
eat
like
it.
black licorice. You gotta taste a little bit.
No, I hate dark chocolate. You know that.
I don't like black licorice either. I'm gonna eat it, but...
No.
You're not gonna taste it?
Nope. It's black licorice with dark chocolate.
No, it doesn't have chocolate. It's just licorice.
I don't care. It smells like dark chocolate, so I'm not eating it.
I like the red licorice, like Twizzlers.
Yeah, Twizzlers are red.
They have red and black. I don't like black licorice.
I never tried it before.
But it's a crazy thing to learn. It's a crazy thing to learn that they're the people that eat the most black licorice everywhere. Like, that's so crazy.
That's disgusting too.
Oh, this is gonna be so much good.
Okay, this looks good. Katja. Zure matjes arbe smaak.
Don't embarrass yourself.
Don't.
So it says a classic. No, this is not it. Hold on, wait.
Candy.
If they
over
laugh
here.
at you in the video, I'll kill them.
These.
I can smell it through the bag.
Okay, so it says these fruit-flavored sour gummy ribbons are intense but balanced with sweetness. Yes, can't wait to try this.
Me too. Belly, Nelly, Telly, the deli. Oh, smells so
All right,
good.
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna need one more.
You need one more? I think I need one more too.
Yeah.
Oh my god, so good.
Just a little tingly.
Yeah, because they're sour. Mmm. Okay. Next thing. This looks like kind of like a bread.
Yeah.
Don't dirty my floor. Okay, so this says a classic Dutch treat. This gingerbread has been baked in the Netherlands for almost 130 years.
What?
So cool, and I love gingerbread, so
Ooh,
I'm guessing this is gonna be
and
good.
the
Ooh, it
gingerbread
looks
man?
good.
Oh, that looks so good.
It kind of looks like a cookie.
Sorry, I had to taste it.
Excuse me?
Okay, hold on.
It kind of looks like a cookie.
Yeah, kind of, but it's like
It is a cookie, but it's a super soft cookie that can break in one time.
Yeah, something like that.
It smells so good. It smells like pumpkin pie.
All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, next thing is Stroop waffles. Soft toasted chocolate waffles filled with caramel, cinnamon, and real bourbon vanilla. So it says crunchy waffles filled with creamy caramel. Place on a cup of hot coffee or tea to soften. Ooh, that would be nice.
I don't like coffee. If it tastes like coffee.
All right, so this is what it looks like.
That looks like a cookie.
Yeah.
Sandwich.
It's so thin.
And it's so crusty.
All right. So we'll just take a bite.
Yeah, just take a bite.
How good is it?
It's very good. Mmm. Tastes like milk chocolate.
I love waffle. I love waffle cookies.
I never tried waffle cookies before.
They're good. Okay, they want to taste the drink.
No, the drink glass. The drink glass.
Okay, the drink glass. That's why I hadn't touched it.
Always. I thought it was like a chip, like a little.
All right,
chip.
so we got 2 of these. And this says Windmill Cookie, the Netherlands in its most traditional snack
I tried
form.
this before.
The classic speculoos cookie in the shape of a Dutch windmill.
But you
All
forgot
right.
the taste.
Yeah. You guys share. I'm not sharing mine.
Why? Oh, another messy thing.
Just grab a little piece, like this.
Here.
Mmm.
All right, you ate it already?
Sorry.
Oh, this is so good.
It's crunchy
Here,
and
Chris.
warm.
My kind of cookie.
My kind of cookie.
But
So
I like
good.
the waffle one better.
You do?
I like both. They're both really good.
They're really good. Remember? So next, we're going to go with these loose little candy things. So it says, named after Baron Hendrik
Each of us gets 2.
Hop, a noted coffee lover. These coffee candies have been made since the
Coffee
late
candies.
1700s.
Both of us gets 2.
I think they're hard. I don't know if I want to taste that right now. Let's see. If they're hard,
I can't.
no,
eat
they're
it.
kind of soft, but
I can't really eat it.
oh no, they're hard.
Well, just like take a little bite.
Yeah, just like coffee.
Really?
It's coffee taste.
You haven't.
I kinda like it.
Like caramel with coffee.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
I like it.
Yeah, you like them?
Just
Oh,
a teeny
this
bit.
I know we're gonna love because we
Love,
love these
love.
type of stuff. Okay, so this is called Frutella.
Frunella.
Kind
These-
of like Nutella.
And these are like Starburst for us.
Yeah.
These fruit flavored chews are packed with intense flavor from real fruit juice.
Oh, intense flavor with real.
And remember I had that ice cream
Oh, I want one of each.
Wait,
One of each.
for now you're gonna get that.
Fine.
Okay, so let's taste.
Wait, I can't open mine.
Too bad there's only 2 of each.
That's fine.
The mean Chris gets to share. You can have the other pink ones.
It's like a Starburst, just like our Starburst.
I already put it in my mouth. Mmm.
These are more chewy than Starburst. Starburst is a little bit harder.
But it's so good.
Still good. This is interesting.
Don't tell me it's dog food. Let me see. It's
So this is called Candelstock. A classic Dutch snack, this cinnamon flavored treat is often sold at street fairs and carnivals. That sounds good. Let's just each take a bite.
right from the top, so it doesn't break. Well, there is already broken, but
Come on. Okay, so looks just like a stick.
then we try.
How is it?
Very cinnamony. Con cuidado.
So
There you go.
I barely got any.
Just get a little bit to taste it. And later on we'll... You like it?
I like it. I barely tried it, but I like it.
It's just very cinnamony.
So the next
The last thing...
is the drink, which we always save for last because it will
Yes.
shower down your snacks. So basically, it's cherry sparkling lemonade.
So it says
It's cherry sparkling lemonade.
Fernandes Cherry
It's
Bouquet
basically water.
Sparkling Lemonade. So
So
it says...
it's basically fizzy water that's lemonade that tastes like cherry.
Wait, it says... No, it's a cherry soda. It says this sweet and sparkly cherry soda is a popular treat throughout the Netherlands.
That's gonna be super good.
So let's see.
My favorite country is still the Netherlands. It's gonna be the Netherlands out of the.
Out of what we've eaten?
Yeah.
Eaten? What you think?
So good. It just kind of burns.
You
it
like
looks
it?
steamy.
Yeah, because it's sparkling.
It
What do you
kind of
think?
burns the top of my mouth. Like,
What do you think? Do you like it?
I like it, but it for some reason
Yeah,
it makes my
it's
top
good.
of my the top of my mouth feel weird. Just one more sip.
All right, so each one of us is going to pick a favorite from this box.
Ooh,
If
that's
you
gonna be
need to
hard.
remember something, it's here.
That's gonna be hard.
It's going to be hard. I have a favorite already.
What?
So my favorite from this box were these.
Mine
So good.
were.
What about you? So like the bread, like the. Okay, wait. What was your favorite?
These chips
So he liked these chips,
and approximately those things.
these Frutellas. I like these too.
Hey! Why do you get the queen?
All right, guys. So let's say bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like,
and
comment, and
subscribe
subscribe.
and hit the notification bell to watch more of our videos. Yeah.
I love taste test videos, guys. Oh my god.
best.
That's why I love getting these boxes. I just love it. All right, my love. I love you guys. I'll see you
In the next video.
Bye, my love.